Matterport. Fully immersive 3D environments that feel so real, it's like being there. When you power your business with interactive 3D media, the possibilities are endless. Step into a 3D space and start exploring somewhere new. For estate agents and brokers, Matterport Spaces gives listing presentations the competitive edge, showing sellers how you'll provide an always open house and create connections with customers and engage more buyers. Sell the property faster and build a buzz before the home's even shown. Matterport Spaces can also be used for commercial properties. Fill units faster by qualifying prospective tenants before they walk through the door, or let businesses understand the setup of a potential office space. For rental properties, Matterport Spaces can be used over and over to draw potential renters from near and far. But Matterport is more than real estate. It's simple to create spaces across multiple industries anytime you want to engage more fully with your audience. Hotels and restaurants can offer future guests a real feel for accommodation, all from the comfort of their own home. Show off your amenities and delight your guests before they even arrive. Turn your restaurant or retail store into a Matterport space to provide a preview of what customers can expect. Promote certain products with your prominent shelf placement, or let your customers choose their table when they make a reservation. In architecture, engineering and construction, Matterport Spaces allow you to streamline your workflow, engage stakeholders, and document every step of your project. Scan once and eliminate expensive return trips to collect forgotten information. Draw visitors to special exhibitions to show off your stunning architecture. Create a Matterport space for temporary installation so everyone can experience it, even if they cannot travel there. No matter what industry you're in, with Matterport technology, we can enable deeply immersive virtual exploration that can be delivered to anyone, anywhere. It's quick and easy to get started. Contact us today for professional quality advice for any space you have in mind, for any industry.